Installation of the Kima adjustable mounting bracket for the ventilated Eaves filler comb. As can be seen in this video, the brackets can easily be adjusted to the required length and provide a fast, easy and tool-free installation. Hang the brackets onto the lowest batten. Measure out 3 to 5 cm from the edge of the roof where the filler comb will sit. In this example, the mounting brackets will be shortened at the third mark. Using a measure, break off any unrequired pegs to achieve the required length. Hang the bracket back onto the batten. Push the round mounting peg down through the hole on the filler comb. Use at least 2 brackets for each length of filler comb. Kima's mounting brackets are designed to fix the ventilated Eaves filler comb into place without puncturing the underlay or the eave strip on the fascia. The roof is now ready for installation of roofing tiles.